Hello everybody, greetings of the day. Hope you guys are well and safe. Today we just come up with an idea to make a video on a very important topic. The topic is purely based on the certifications. There are lots of certification out there, different vendors, and it's a huge list of certifications. And usually we get confused on what certification we should do. So in this video particularly, I decided to make a certification guide video for the sysadmins and for the IT support people, for Linux system administrators, and the people who really want to progress their career, maybe in DevOps or senior system administrator, and these kind of things. So basically I divided these things into three parts: operating systems, networking, and cloud. So just to step into the industry here, I would suggest that you should get at least 3 certifications for sure, and there will be a brighter chances for you guys to go and work in the different enterprises environment and in different fields. So first of all, I would like to come to the operating system here. So usually Linux is really in demand. You can get in certifications in Linux. So there are, I think, 2 or 3 vendors which are at the moment at the top level. So personally, which I like and which I would suggest, the first certification is the LFCS, Linux Foundation Certified SysAdmin. This is very important certification, and with this certification you can get a job in Linux anywhere. The reason why I am saying this, because the Red Hat certifications usually seems like a competitor to the LFCS certification, but if you do the Red Hat certification, you will be considered to be working in Red Hat infrastructures enterprises there. But if you do the LFCS, you can work anywhere in Linux industry. So this is a bit of a difference there. There is a CompTIA Linux Plus certification. This is also very nice. You can go for that as well. We have LPIC certification as well. I will surely post the links of these certifications in the description of this video. Also, if you want on the Windows side, I would suggest, of course, the MCSA. It's a Windows Server certification. I will post the link and you can dig into more in details. So I would say to in terms of the operating systems, if you are interested in Windows, do the MCSA, or if you are interested in Linux, I would say go for the LFCS, which is recommended, and I personally actually passed that certification. So these 2 certifications. The next thing is of course the networking is nowadays a basic thing which every system administrator or IT support engineer should know. So in this field, I would say that you should go for CCNA, which is a Cisco Certified Network Administrator. Gives you a very good a high level overview of the networking and the protocols, and all that simulation in the packet tracer and everything. You will definitely enjoy it if you like the networking. You can also go for the CompTIA Network Plus. Is also very comprehensive certification, highly recommended, and it's a pretty give you great insight of the networking technologies there. The next thing is of course the cloud one. In cloud, I would say that you should there were 2 major platforms of the cloud nowadays. Of course, the Amazon Web Services and the Azure Cloud, Microsoft Azure Cloud. So in Azure Cloud you can go for the AZ-103 exam, which gives you the fundamentals of the Azure Cloud. On the other hand, on the AWS, which is I think is more is using in the industry nowadays. So I would say to go for the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam if you are very new to the cloud. But if you have a bit of exposure, I would suggest you to go for the Solution Architect certification. So there is no prerequisite for these certifications. Whatever I mentioned in this video, there is no prerequisite, I mean, to qualify that for that certifications. But yeah, the recommended knowledge is there. Of course, for AWS Solution Architect certifications, I would suggest to go with Cloud Practitioner exam, because in Cloud Practitioner and AZ1 of 3, these both are gives you a pretty much overview of the cloud platform of AWS and the Microsoft Azure, and will tell you more about the service and the products they are using. So if you have these 3 certifications, to be very honest, you are the ideal candidate for the job like system administrator or maybe network administrator, a basic junior job or entry level job, and you can progress into this, and you can go to maybe DevOps or network engineers, or maybe senior Linux engineers. So these certification I would suggest to get in, for example, in 2022, but without the certifications it's sometimes hard to get the job. So this is my advice, guys, and hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe, like this video and subscribe to my channel, and if you think somebody else needs this video, please share that videos with your friends as well. I highly appreciate that. Thank you very much, guys, and take care of yourself and people around you, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.